Have you ever felt stuck in your old life? Have you ever looked at your past mistakes and wished you could start again? Do you know what it feels like to carry heavy memories that slow you down? I understand. Many people live with pain from yesterday. But what if you could rise again, like a bird that learns to fly after falling? If you've ever been someone who wants to change but doesn't know how, this story is for you. Once upon a time. There was a man named Arjun, a 32-year-old woodworker. He lived in a small, quiet village near tall mountains and deep forests. His hands were strong, but inside he felt weak. He had dreams, big dreams, but life was not kind to him. Arjun wanted to open a furniture shop. He wanted people to know his work, to see his tables shine like polished gold in the sun. But he had a problem. He did not believe in himself. Every day he worked for others, fixing chairs, cutting wood, earning small money. While others built their lives, Arjun watched time pass. While his friends married, bought land, smiled with pride, Arjun struggled with fear and regret. People in the village whispered, he had chances before. Why did he waste them? These words cut his heart. Still, he woke each morning, tired, unsure, carrying the weight of yesterday. Arjun tried many times to start fresh. Once he saved money, but he spent it trying to impress people. Another time, he joined a shop as partner, but he left after one argument. He was like a man walking forward, but looking back. He tricked again and again. One cold evening, after a long day in the forest, Arjun found something strange. He heard a soft cry near the rocks. He moved closer. There, lying weak under a fallen branch, was a young eagle. Its wing was hurt. It looked scared. Arjun's heart felt warm. He picked the eagle gently. Its feathers were cold and soft. He carried it home, made a small nest from cloth, fed it grain and water. Days passed. The eagle grew stronger. But there was something unusual. Instead of flying, the eagle walked like a chicken. It looked down, not up. It slept on the ground, not on high places. Arjun felt confused. One day, he met an old monk passing by the village. The monk had calm eyes, like clear water. Arjun asked, "Why does this eagle look like a chicken?" "It is born for the sky." The monk smiled, touched the eagle gently, and said, "This bird lived too long with chickens. It forgot it is an eagle." Arjun felt something move inside his heart. The monk placed a small feather in Arjun's hand like a gift. "It holds two lives," he said, "one on the ground, one in the sky. Only choice separates them." Arjun listened, but he did not understand completely. Not yet. Time passed. Arjun healed the eagle fully. One morning, he carried it to a hill and lifted it high. "Fly," he whispered. But the eagle only trembled. It jumped back to the ground. Arjun felt sad. He thought, maybe this is its life now. But deep inside, something else spoke. A voice soft but bright. Maybe the eagle is like me. He remembered his failures, his wasted years, his shame. That night, he sat alone by the fire. The feather from the monk lay in his hand. For the first time, he understood. To fly, we must stop living like chickens. To rise, we must leave our past behind. His heart shook. Tears filled his eyes. He stood and said to himself, "No more. My past will not hold me." Next morning, with new fire in his chest, Arjun began again. He cut wood with care. His hands bled, but he kept going. He saved money. He woke early. He worked when others slept. It was hard. He failed many days. Some customers laughed at his simple work, but he improved. Weeks passed. Months went by. Arjun practiced new designs: smooth edges, strong legs, shining finish. The smell of fresh wood filled his small home. 1 year later, he opened a tiny furniture shop. Not big, not fancy, but his own. And now, like Arjun, the eagle also changed. Each day, Arjun carried it to the hill. Each day, he lifted it higher, until one morning, the sky glowed gold with sunrise. The wind was soft. The world was quiet. Arjun whispered, "You are born to fly." This time, the eagle opened its wings, wide, proud. It felt the wind. It rose, slow at first, then higher, higher. Arjun stood, eyes wet, heart bright like fire. He smiled, because he knew he was rising too. Years later, Arjun became known across villages. People came from far places to buy his work. His shop grew bigger. He taught young workers. He helped others start their dreams. Villagers who once doubted him now spoke with respect. "Look at Arjun," they said. "He changed his life." One evening, as the sun painted the mountains orange, Arjun stood on the hill where the eagle first flew. He laughed softly. He remembered his past, pain, failure, shame, but it did not hurt anymore. It was only a story, not a cage. He looked at the sky and whispered, "The eagle could fly only when it stopped living like a chicken, and I could rise only when I stopped living in my past." The lesson was clear. We cannot fly with old chains on our wings. If this story touched your heart, if it gave you hope or strength, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. It helps our channel grow and reach more dreamers like you. This is Wisdom Echo Stories, where every week we bring you gentle, powerful lessons for life. Thank you for watching. Stay strong, stay growing. See you in the next story.